Homes are full of unexpected expenses, so it's good to prepare and learn if your homeowner's insurance will cover something like a tree damaging its structure. Let's run through some scenarios on how your policy might help pay for this. First, if the tree is healthy and topples due to wind, a typical homeowner's insurance policy may help pay to repair damage to your home or other structures, like a fence or deck, and remove fallen branches. But what if you've neglected to maintain the tree and it was ready to fall even before a storm? In that case, your homeowner's insurance most likely wouldn't cover the damage. And if the tree doesn't damage anything when it falls, homeowner's insurance typically won't cover debris removal. Finally, what happens if your neighbor's tree falls? Well, your homeowner's insurance may help pay for repairs if it damages your home. Just remember, you'll typically have to pay your deductible before your insurance will help pay for a covered loss, and coverage limits will apply, which a limit is the maximum amount your policy will pay for a covered claim. Damage caused by a fallen tree can be expensive. You'll want coverage to protect you if it happens. That's what homeowners insurance will do for you.